YouTube, what's going on? You already know who this is. No introduction needed. But you know, the school is about to start back, and you know these students are gonna be up in these barbershops. So you know, I'm trying to get them as they come. You know what I'm saying? But my guy right here, he always come to me for their fresh cut. But you know what I'm saying? He want that back to school cut. Now I'm giving him a low taper. He do not want no enhancements. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I can, you know what I'm saying, just cut a low taper without having to use enhancements. So let's just get into it. The first thing I do, you know what I'm saying, I already punched my first initial guideline in. And now I open the guards, well, the blades actually, and you know what I'm saying, go up a half an inch. And then, you know, I start, you know what I'm saying, scoop out that line, followed by the one guard open. And you're gonna start to see me scoop out in a minute. So I just want to let you guys know, when you start to scoop like that, just kind of like scoop in and then come out, because you know what I'm saying, you want to flare out that low taper, because you know what I'm saying, you don't want to take out too much that you can bear. And remember to always use your corners. But with further ado, let's just get into this cut till we get on the next step. Okay guys, now still have my number one guard on. I'm still, you know what I'm saying, in that area, because I'm just trying to work in small spaces, because like, remember, like I said, he's having a low taper. So I don't want to take out too much. But when I close my one guard up, the only thing I'm doing, you know what I'm saying, just mostly using the corners, because you know what I'm saying, it's a lot of corner work in that little tight space. So it may look like I'm using the whole guard, but I'm not. But remember to always go back behind your work and, you know what I'm saying, double check. Alright now guys, now I put my 1.5 guard on. The only thing I'm not doing right now is just actually, you know what I'm saying, just debulking the area that I'm just, you know what I'm saying, just really just paying more attention to. So the way you see me debulking, I'm not just going into the hair. I'm kind of still like feathering out, because you know what I'm saying, I want to save as much as I can. But you're gonna notice that while I'm still having my 1.5 guard on, I kind of like still have the guards open, but I just go with the grain to smooth down everything, so everything can make, you know what I'm saying, one natural flow. Falling back to my one guard, the only thing I'm doing right now, just using the corners, you know what I'm saying, just to like nitpick at the 1.5, because remember I had adjusted the 1.5 kind of closed. Now I had a true number one guard on, using my corners. The only thing I'm doing now, just, you know what I'm saying, just knocking that 1.5 line out. So if I don't really just knock it completely out, you might see me adjust my one guard, you know what I'm saying, because you know what I'm saying, I'm in my, you know what I'm saying, blending process now. So I'm blending down as we speak. Following with my zero guard close, the only thing I'm doing right now, just like actually knocking that one guard line out. So you know what I'm saying, I'm just trying to do what I can to, you know, make that blend as fresh as I can. But yeah, this is zero guard, and I'm just showing you guys. So I'm gonna come back up with the next following step. Now detailing is the most important part of the haircut, you know what I'm saying? So remember to always use your corners. Now I don't know, for some obvious reason, I like using my Babyliss Pro FX, because you know what I'm saying, I feel that the blade gets, you know what I'm saying, the hair that I'm looking for, because you know, if I was to use my Stylecraft blades, I'll be taking out too much. Now I feel more comfortable using my Babyliss Pro FX. So remember to always use your corners, and you know, like I said at first, detail is the most important part of the whole haircut process itself. Alright guys, you already know I had to speed this side up, but let's just get into it. Remember I said I punched my first initial guideline in, and you know what I'm saying, I came back with the blades open on my Stylecraft instincts. The only thing I'm just actually doing is using my corners, following up, you know what I'm saying, with the next guard. which will be the one guard. So remember to always scoop out, like I said. Do not take too much off because you will be taking, away from the haircut. But remember to always brush the client's hair as needed. And now you see me coming back with the 1.5. Like I always said, scoop out, and then, you come back with the grain, because, you want to make that as smooth as possible, because that's the fade. Well, actually, that's the blend area. And therefore, I came back with my number 1 guard, just only actually using the corners, because, I'm working into that 1.5 area. And, I'm just using about 2 or 3 teeth, and then, I go with the grain to make sure everything is laying. And I got the 0 guard on. I have it like not actually all the way closed, but I have it to the point of, it's enough to feather out that line. Following up behind everything else, I use my Babyliss Pro Gold FX, just to do a little light touch-up work. It really don't take much because, I know detail is a must, but it really don't take that much to put in too much detail, because you can be taken away from your art. So be mindful of, your cut. And another thing, guys, I just want to let you guys know, I didn't mean no harm by saying, I don't color grade. I don't, Each YouTuber, they do their own thing. But me personally, I feel, that it's better for me just to show y'all the raw footage of my haircuts, because a lot of YouTubers, I watch a lot of YouTube channels, and majority of the YouTubers, they color grade. I don't have nothing against color grading, but I just want you guys to see the quality of, the raw footage of the video that I record. Because when I first started cutting hair, I always wanted to color grade, and I said, nah, that'll be taken away from, the artwork. So I just want to show you guys the natural look, because, I feel that the natural look is the better look. Alright guys, if you stuck around long enough, this is the final cut right here, man. Hey, if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. But like I said, my guy didn't want no enhancements or anything, He just want all natural edge up. So I just gave him what he want. He didn't want nothing off the top. He just wanted the sides and the back blended, faded, and a sharp edge up. But this is the final results. Your boy Black Prince the Barber out. Peace.